welcome to the 8th episode of the Super Mario Bros. U playthrough. I guess.
Did you say Mario?
Yeah.
I heard Super Bros.
We're going to Sparkling Waters 2.
Tropical Refresher.
Not very refreshing to hear.
That was a weird picture.
That was cheesy. You ice everything. You had to lead off. You're going to ice everything. Ooh, money. Fire. I got fire. Okay, I got it. Squid. Extra squid. Darn. Oh well. Darn. Oh wait, I moved that. What does it do?
Wait, there was a yellow one back there. Wanna go check it out?
Nah. Fired it. Okay.
What's this?
No, it doesn't do anything. Nothing here too. Okay, let's see. Oh, it gives you money. Oh, that. No!
Oh, star coin. We need a star coin.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Wait, there's another two.
Go, faster! Yes.
Darn.
Oh, wait, I moved that. What does it do?
Wait, there was a yellow one back there. Wanna go check it out?
Nah. Fired it. Okay.
What's this?
No, it doesn't do anything. Nothing here too. Okay, let's see. Oh, it gives you money. Oh, that. No!
Oh, star coin. We need a star coin.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Wait, there's another two.
Go, faster! That's barely any though.
This is Joshua.
It will help a little bit.
Look, this is the underground ground pound. This is the underground ground pound. That's what it is. Underwater, I mean. Did I say underground?
Yeah, you said underground. Okay, where am I?
Somewhere.
Whoa!
That's
I did not know that was there. Oh, you get that. I'll get this. No, you get that other part.
ground pound.
Oh, they're going. I told you to get this part.
Look at this. Isn't that funny?
Oh, how did you do that?
Down and then two.
Oops.
Isn't that funny?
A little bit. Not that funny. Okay, you push it. Don't push it yet. Okay, only. Oh! Okay. Faster!
Okay, go fast.
Faster.
Trying to go faster. Come on, go. Why can't we sprint underwater?
That'll be just weird though.
Yeah!
Nothing.
Wait for it.
Nah, rather not. Wait, how do you...
Two down there.
What's down here, I wonder? Oh, what are you supposed to do?
I think we are supposed to get a star.
Ah, I got through.
Okay, I'll go up.
Hey, you're supposed to wait for me. Wait there so you don't lose your life or something. Ah, duck. What?
Bubble already.
I don't know why. That's so weird. Yes. Fire. Yo! Fire it all up.
Whoa! Squiddy.
Shooty, Squiddy-o.
Right before I was gonna do my big. something.
Woo!
No, purple, don't chase me.
Get away! Ah!
Oh, we made it. We
Second.
survived, everybody. Woo.
Wow. Jump.
Darn it.
Oh, darn! Let's
Okay,
go
we
back.
need to go back now. Okay, start here. Ready, set.
Woo. No, no.
Darn it! She's
I got 40 lives and 0 coins exactly, and 3 star coins. Not bad.
How in the world do you get 40 lives?
I don't know. How did the world do you only get 18 lives?
I don't know. How did I?
Crazy person.
At least this won't be underground.
giant.
I mean, underwater. Maybe it will be underwater.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully, it will not be underwater.
Nah.
Darn it! It's underwater. Ah!
I guess. Okay.
No, nothing there. Oh, there's air pumps.
Woo! Woo! Ah! Run for your lives! Run for your lives!
Whoa!
Okay, first check this way. Check this way.
We're stuck.
What?
Whoa.
Oh, there's something. Oh, you had to go under here. Okay, I got it. I got it. I got one.
Underwater ground.
Fast!
Up, 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 up.
That's hilarious. Fast!
Oh no! They're gonna hit me!
It actually looks good though. There you go. Ah! Just don't give my. You
Oh,
got.
I got acorn.
You cheat. Then you should. Actually, never mind.
Should I get ice instead?
No, I don't think so.
Why didn't you just get the acorn, then I get the ice? Oh!
Oh. Wow.
Problem solved.
I hate the freaking. I love acorn.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're gonna.
Not.
You're gonna not. That's yeah. That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna not.
Don't. No!
See, I didn't do it. You.
Oh my gosh.
Dummy. Eh. Sorry.
Okay.
Ooh, one up. Woo!
Seriously? Should have saved the one up for me. I need it more. Wait, there's a gap right there.
Yeah, I can see that.
Oh, I don't think so. Darn it!
Well,
There we go.
figuring out all the pipes.
We missed one.
What are
We
you
missed the first
do?
star coin. Press it.
Oh, money. Yes.
What the
Acorn.
That was supposed to be mine, by the way. Are you just gonna stay there?
I thought you were
Maybe.
just. Oh
Are you not gonna press A or something?
no! No, I don't. Okay, now I do.
Oh my gosh, no!
Oh, I survived.
That's because you were just out of it.
Oh yeah, no. Get out. Get out. Okay, you. Ah! What? What?
Oh!
Okay.
I made it.
Is there something?
Missed me completely.
Eh.
Darn it!
Oh, ice. Wow.
Whoa. Can't get it anymore. How dare you?
Oh, one up. One up. Is that one? No. I'm so
Seriously?
sorry.
Seriously? Holy moly guac.
Guac. Seriously? Holy moly. Guac.
What the heck is wrong with me?
With you, yeah, with you. Not me,
Ja-
not me,
ja.
not me.
Jaja.
Doctor.
Ja. Ja.
There has to be something.
That's your new nickname. Ja.
Doctor.
Ja.
You change it from JJ to Jaja to Jackja. The heck is wrong? There has to be something here, though. Oh, go get that.
It boosts me up. Or I'll boost you up. Oh, that. Just boosting. a hole over there.
Too bad, so bad. Oh, I think you were supposed to jump up from that hole. Oops.
Oh well.
Oh well. What are we gonna do to him now? Make him fly? Okay, same thing. Oh, that's good. Whoa, jump! I hate you.
Seriously, I only have 11 now.
Yeah!
Started from 25 and then went to like.
That was nice, I guess, right? And that was only 10 minutes for 2. That was fast.
Let's go to the Boo House. Actually,
Bullshit.
can we leave it for next time?
Never.
Darn, I hate Boo House.
Shit.
Boo Houses.
Shit.
Houses.
Shit. Oh, God. Don't go for me. He's about to go.
Oh, wow.
Oh, what?
You.
I hate you.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
What? What did you see, now I'm ahead.
Not anymore. There we go.
I'm still ahead! Oh! Wait, we're not so... There has to be... Oh! Nice. You go get it. Get them in. Oh! Ooh.
For me, please.
Yeah!
I only have 11 lives for him. Oh.
Eee. I'm ahead. That's so funny.
On the other side, Dumbo.
That's so funny. I don't know why. Oh, that's fake.
You cannot see me.
Wow.
I disappeared. You
Oh
cannot see
wait,
me.
no. You saw something up here.
I
No,
see something right here.
no, I see something
Darn it.
right here.
Oh, darn! Forgot to press 2.
Oh, get up, get up. I know you can. What? Oh, told you. I told you.
You're welcome.
I'm awesome. Oh yeah. I'm awesome. Oh yeah.
Bum, 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 bum. Ah!
That's why. Uh-oh.
Yeah, chase him. Chase Jock Jock.
Jock, jock. Jock,
What? I can't grab you in this place?
I stay underwater. You're the dumb one. Oh, no! No, it's chasing me.
Yeah! Thank you.
No, I
Darn
don't think
it.
you did like competitions. And you're losing.
Well, now I do because I only have 7
No,
lives.
it's not funny or fun if it's a competition. I mean,
Right.
oh!
Get out of this place! Go, go, go! Just go!
Go, go, Power Rangers.
See? See?
Na, 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 na,
I don't think it's stuck in your head. I think you actually like it.
Oh! Halt! Go hit. Say left that.
You left me to, you know.